That pop you hear when you crack your knuckles, it isn't your bones rubbing together, it's actually a bubble screaming. If you love learning the weird truth about your body, you're going to want to stick around. Most people think cracking your knuckles is the sound of bones grinding, but the truth is much more explosive. Inside your joints, there's a thick lubricant called synovial fluid that keeps things moving smoothly. When you pull or bend your finger, you're rapidly increasing the space in that joint, causing the pressure to drop instantly. This forces dissolved gases to form a tiny vacuum bubble. That crack is the sound of that bubble literally imploding. It happens so fast you can't even see it without a high-speed camera. And despite what your grandmother told you, science has proven this doesn't actually cause arthritis. It just creates a tiny, harmless explosion inside your hand every time you do it. Subscribe or your knuckles might never pop again.